You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make a PHP project for preschool, or babysitting, or daycare, school. So all this pre-nursery, this kind of schools require like one online site. So where the parents can check what are the course available and they can get admission online itself. So for this purpose, this project will help. So this is a PHP project with MySQL as a backend. Actually, MySQL instead of that you'll use MariaDB. MariaDB is the present version with the XAMPP server. Both are same only, so therefore they're not much difference. And we are using the XAMPP server. First, you need to start the XAMPP server. If you don't know like how to install and all, there is a separate video. Please watch that video. And then we need to start Apache server and the MySQL. Then we need to keep the project in HD docs. So this is the example, first project demo, and all the files should be there inside this particular folder. But whereas in this case, you can have a different folder name. It's not necessary that you need to have the same folder name. And this project will have a two module. One is admin module and the student module. So here the module is concerned first admin module and the join and then student. So before you become a student, you need to join the course. So this is open to everyone. And then once you join, you become a student. So therefore they can log in as a student and then they can view the information. So let's check out what are the options provided in the admin, what are the options available in the join, and what are the options available in the student. Fine. So admin. So first you'll have a main page. So that is a welcome screen, website welcome screen. So there you can have some pictures, or you give introduction. All these things possible in the welcome screen. After that, we have admin login page. So you can use the user ID and password. You can log in here. Once you log in, you go to admin main page. So via we can navigate to the rest of the pages. So this is admin page. So your options are provided. Therefore, you can navigate. So here first we'll do is we'll create the course details. So what are the courses available? So it may be LKG, UKG, or pre-nursery, or kindergarten 1, kindergarten 2, whatever the way you want, you can always create the course detail and then we can see the list here. And subject, what are the subject we'll teach in the each particular course. So the course created, the subject under the particular course. Then the list will be there. So next is student list. So student can join. So based on this course, now someone goes to this particular join no or course. Here course list is available. Course list. They can click on this, the list will come. They can choose the course, what course they want. Choose the course. Then they can sign up or they can join. Once they join, then their login credentials will be created. That is the user ID password. Next, student can log in with the login ID and the password. Once they log in, they'll go to main page again here. Here they can able to see the subjects. So based on which course they join, so subject we already enter here, that list will come here. And then now from the admin side, we can able to enter the marks. And also here fee option is provided, so therefore they can pay the fees. So here is a fee list. And we also provide one called as a content. So what they need to study. That is a content. So therefore here you can see that marks list. Then content, what content is there in the particular subject and what's supposed to do. All this will be there. Apart from this, for communication, they can send the message to admin and they can able to view the message from the admin. So here also you can send message and then view message. So both way you can communicate. So you can send the message over here and they can send back the message to you. The communications will be there. Therefore, one-to-one communication can be done. So these are the things we included in this project. So after watching the complete project, maybe you can try whatever you want. If you wish to buy this project, please contact us. We provide the link in the description. So therefore, check out the description and there the links are provided. So via you can go to our website and check out all the details. Right, now I'll show the demo. So this is the first project in PHP. Please watch this project to understand the complete details. And I'll show the demo now. Before getting to the demo, so please subscribe to our channel and your subscription definitely will help us to improve our videos, and also like once the number of users are more, generally we can bring it out more content. And also if you're looking for the particular content, you can write it in the comment box. Therefore we'll try to bring you that kind of content. Thank you. So now to view the products from our channel, so you just go to YouTube and search for Highblix tutorials. So you'll get Highblix tutorials here, and if you go to videos, we can see that a lot of videos we have brought, and then please watch these videos when you have free time. So we have a lot of project videos here. So here is the first project, here is a PHP another project. So this is you need to watch actually, so for just watch this video, and when you have free time, please browse the rest of the videos. Fine. So the first thing is we need to check the folder is in the XAMPP folder, and then HD docs. Here it's supposed to be. So here is a kindergarten school, and these are the files which are using in this particular project. Fine. So it's supposed to be in a HD docs, and also we need to check it out whether the server is running. So here running Apache and then MySQL. So now to work with MySQL, what you can do is you have to go to browser. So here you have to type localhost /php myadmin, or you can type localhost. So you'll go to the exam server page. So here is a PHP myadmin. You have to click on PHP myadmin. Then we have to create the database, kinder database, and then all the tables here. So for that we have a file here. So kindergarten tables. If you open this, the structure is provided. So first you have to create the structure here. Okay. So all these table structure has to be created, and then you have to copy them, and then you have to go back to SQL. Here you have to paste. So once you paste, all the tables will be created. So it's ready. Next thing is, in order to run the project, you have to type localhost / the folder name. So whatever the folder name is provided over here, so the folder name you have to give. So if you have a different folder name, just copy the folder name, then you paste it here. So you'll come to main page. So this page, if you have some time, so you can redesign and you can make it much more attractive. So here is a top picture, is a bottom picture, and there are three pictures are there here. All these pictures are stored in an image folder, so we can edit them in the paint. So that's what how you plan. So you can, that way you can keep the pictures ready. Then the pictures are made, then you can call that pictures into the main page. So from here you can go to main site. Here is admin login. Okay, so this is a different picture now. So here is admin login, and then course details, and then student login. So these are the three main options which are provided in this project. First we'll go to admin login. So here is admin login. So we can log in with admin credentials. So here are the options which you can view it in the admin. So admin, you can create the course. What are the courses you would like to conduct? So let's say LKG. So about LKG you need to write here. So this is the lower kindergarten. So duration, so it's 1 year, and then course fees, so it is a 45,000. We can save this information, and if you go to list, you can see the list here. Next is the subject entry. So now in LKG, what is subject? So you'll have English first. So you can give the name. So what is that subject name? What you teach in that particular subject, for which course it is, and then you have to save. Then content. So for this particular subject, what are the content? So chapter number 1, what you learn. Okay. So here is a small story. So about that story you need to write. So this is tortoise story. Tortoise. Okay. So this is a tortoise. Save this. So it's saved. So next is the content list. We can see all the content. What are the content we already entered here. Next is the subject list. Sorry, student list. So student list will come once the student join the course actually. Fine. So here is the register number. So we will go to admin main. So we'll open one more tab. So here you can paste this and go to site course details. So here is the course. Now student want to join for free KG, so they can go here. So here you can see that what are the subjects they can learn. All this is provided over here. They can apply for this course. Actually, this is the parent detail. Uh, Fine. So here is a user ID, what ID they want. So they can choose the ID. Let's say CCC. CCC is the password. And name, let's say Chandan. Then address, then their mobile number, then mail ID. So here is the parent qualification. So what parent completed, that is there. And what is the profession they do. And which course they would like to apply for. So for their kid they are applying. So they are applying for the free KG. Okay, now they need to make the payment for this. Payment details. So paid by CAN card. So then they can save this information. So the registration successful and we'll provide the register number for them. So they can log in here. Now this is 123402 and then password. What are the password you entered? That password. Now for this child they can see the subject. So this is the subject the child is study and they can see the content. We can update the content. The content will come over here. And then here is the marks list. Okay. If the marks is entered, then the marks list will come here. And if you want to communicate with the admin, you can send the message. So this is admin. And then what is the thing? Okay, so science project. Okay, so this related to the science project. You can write relate to the subject or science project details are not sent. So please send us. Okay, so now if you click save, so it's saved. Now if you come back to the admin side, okay, now you can see that P paid, overall paid the fees, that list is there here. So that is the register number and the amount here. And then you can have marks entry. Now for the child you can enter the marks, okay. This is the first semester, English first. So how much marks they scored. So for is the 25, let's say 22 is the scoring. Now you can come back to this side, you can go to marks list. So you can see that we have scored the 22 here. That list will come here. And here also you can see the complete marks list, all the student marks list. And then you can see the view message. So here is a message from this particular number. So again you can send the message to them. So this is 123402. So then to do science project, these details are you have to make simple project. Project list, you can provide the project list. Okay. Matchbox project, floating object project. So they can choose anyone from this. So the details we want to send, so you can save this. On the other side, if you come to our student main view message, you can see that the message come to the student, I mean parent actually. So the parent can able to see and then they can train the child and the child can do the job. So these are the two modules. So this is the student main part and this is the admin part. So in the admin we can enter all the data and the student part they can able to see all the data. This we can change to parent also because student is small, so they cannot able to view. So we can make it as a parent. That is easy. So what you have to do is you have to go to this folder, images. So here is the student main. Okay, so student login, student main, and this one is student main page. Okay, so if I edit this in Paint, so we can edit in a Paint, and we can remove this, and then can delete and then type the new thing. That is possible. Okay, so type, take the color and then So what type font is bigger? So make it smaller font and then you have to type it here and then save. So these are things which are provided in the this particular course actually. So if you have any doubt, let me know or write via comments, and please try this project, and if you have any doubts, let me know that. Thank you very much.